마셔 내 술자리 다 빠져 미친 예술가래 한눈 두개 예술집은 나 엉해야 다 마셔 내 술자리.
Hey armies, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the channel host, you can call me Namu. Welcome here. And today I have another really special request from you all, from one of the commentators or commentators, something like that. One of you all commented on my videos to check out a video which I'm really curious about. So if you haven't checked out my last reaction to BTS Stay Gold, I was really surprised by Jin's vocals. I wasn't really sure. So one of you all commented to for me to check out the a video titled Jin's live vocal compilation updated 2020, and I'm super interested because yeah, I'm falling more and more in love with Jin, and it's like finding or getting to know more about him is super awesome. So let's just jump into this. I'm not sure what this is gonna be. Oh, my bad. It's just started. These are all live clips, I am guessing, from their live performances. This is a live performance compilation. So yo, this is gonna be exciting. Let's go. Ooh, we're starting out with Fake Love. Amazing. Good. Okay. Oh yeah, the Fake Love in the chorus, that is... Ooh, that's so good. He has a pretty high vocal range. Ooh. Okay, that is Jungkook. And Jin. Ooh, nice. I love Fake Love. Fake Love is one of my favorite songs. Suddenly increased. Ooh, oh wow. Ooh, that is so good. That is so high. Oh shit. Okay. So this is Bangtan Bomb. Oh, the raw vocals. Wow. Okay, Jin. Ooh. Oh god, he's popping off. Ooh shit. That is so high. Guys, I had no idea what the hell. I really love when they like wait, I can't concentrate on what I'm trying to say. Oh, this is so good. I love when they hit their highest vocal. It's almost like they're going singing in their head voice. Probably. I'm not sure. I'm not a vocal expert. Oh, this is... I know Dionysus. Here he sings in really deep voice. I love this song. Jin is extremely awesome in this song. Oh, this song is good. Okay. This is someone else. Is this Jimin? Ooh, you can hear the live vocal in the field. Ooh. Oh, that was good. Watching this video, I'm just realizing that I don't know a lot of BTS songs. That's the only... Ooh, such soft vocals. He can go in such different standards or such different types of vocals he has. On one side, songs like Dionysus and stuff, he has such powerful vocals, such hard-hitting, you know, loud and strong vocals. But in songs like this, such soft vocalization as well. Okay. Ooh. Oh god, his high voice is so good, so pleasant to hear. Oh, V? Oh no, that's Jungkook. My bad. Again, Fake Love. Fake Love's vocals for Jin are, I guess, one of his best. Fake Love and, of course, like Stay Gold, I listened to it. I guess even Boy With Love also has amazing Jin vocals. Such husky vocals in this part, but when he sings Fake Love, it's so high. Fake Love in general has such good vocalization in the song itself. What is this song? I forgot. I've heard this song before. Ooh. What is this? Is this their song? This sounds like a trot song. Okay? Okay, Jin. Ooh, is that Jin? No, he's someone's accompanying him, right? Was that Jin? With the highest vocal? Okay, I've not heard the song. Again, soft vocals for this song. I don't know. Tell me which all the songs are. Is there? Oh, my favorite. Banana. This performance was also so iconic. This performance was the sickest performance I've ever seen from BTS. Okay, here we go. Let's go, Jin. Okay, Arab. I've heard this song also. Nice. All of these performances and live stages, you can just notice not just Jin but everyone's live vocals. They're so purely live and they're so like true to themselves for being live in their concerts and stuff. Woo! Oh wow! I've also heard this song, but I don't remember. Ooh. Ooh, oh, this is good. Oh, so high. Jin has such a diverse vocal range. This is so crazy to listen to. And like the fact I'm noticing this now, but I've been like, ooh. Oh god. This is also a beautiful song. Magic Top. Oh, I love this song. Yes, as I was saying before, his vocals shocked me. Yes, as I was saying, Jin has such a diverse range of vocals, and the fact that I'm noticing is now, after like standing them or semi-standing them for almost 2 years, it's crazy to me that I didn't know. I always thought like Jungkook, Jimin were the main vocals. Ooh. Oh, we get young love moment. Ooh, nice. Which song was this also? Okay. It's just changing so quickly. I'm not grasping any of the songs. I don't know most of them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, armies. I'll get better. Ooh, such good vocals. Amazing. Ooh. Okay. Okay, some crackhead Jin moment with the upside down goggles. Okay. Oh, this is so fun. This is a good video. This is a good compilation. I'll link the channel creator and the video in the description down below if you want to check this out. This is such a good combo. Ooh, live. Ooh, so good. What the hell is he doing? Ooh, wow. Okay, a back it. Okay, again, pretty soft vocals, but these are refreshing, not. Which is this song? I'm not sure. These are pretty refreshing yet powerful vocals. Ooh. Ooh, total live vocals. Oh, make it right. Ooh, awesome. This is also one of my favorite songs. Ooh, On. On is also super amazing. Like in displaying Jin's vocals, On is one of the one good song to show his true potential. I think everyone shines in On. On is such a good track, dude. The dance is also powerful. Ooh, center Jin, let's go. Na na na. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, what is this song? Ooh, this is so good. Such high and light vocals. Oh wow. Ooh, nice. What is this song? Okay, this is fast-paced singing. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I also know that Jin generally gets the chorus type of part in songs, but he fulfills those parts so well. It's just amazing. He's such a talented person. How old is he? Is Jin like 27 now? How old is he? I'm not sure. Too loud. Wait a second. What was written? One of the most historic BTS live show moments, Twitter exploded. Ooh. Oh! Oh, that was so cool. Wait a second, that was insane. That was so good. Sorry for the audio issues, man. One more octave? Ooh! Brilliant. Okay. Again, live vocals. Oh, which is this song? This is a good song. I haven't heard this before. Okay, Fire. Fire also has good Jin vocals. He has the entire bridge section for himself, right? Okay, Sugar. Okay. Wow. Ooh, Jungkook in the background. Oh, so good. He has such a versatile style of singing, though. He can go so high, but as well as so soft, but as well as so deep. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Hobie. Ooh. Oh my god, Jin is brilliant. Holy. We're also getting some rapper moments. Ooh, I know this song. Truth Untold, right? Is this Truth Untold? I guess this is Truth Untold. Ooh. Really soft. Okay. Again, so deep and soulful voice. Such a soulful voice. This is Truth Untold. Please let me not be a fool and let it be Truth Untold. I've heard the song before. So good. Oh wow. Okay, Jin plus Ami is with it. Oh. Oh, they are me. Oh, they're so loud. Oh wow. The sea. The army bomb sea. Which song is this? I haven't heard this song. This is one of his solos. This is one of his. This is what solo does he have? Oh wow. The way he just goes up octaves without any effortlessly. Loud. Oh, I know this song. I've heard this song again. One of the most impactful Bangtan songs. Okay. Okay. Is he playing the piano? Or the synth? Something? Yeah, he's playing the piano. Talented man, talented as. Such an amazing, brilliant person. Such a nice voice also. Jin is amazing. The moral of this entire reaction, Jin is freaking amazing. So effortless, yet so beautiful. Okay. Just feel like waving your hand. Yup, wave your army bomb. I haven't bought an army bomb yet. Should I buy it? Please give me money so I can buy an army bomb. I'm poor. I'm kidding. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I guess if he ventures into ballads, Jin could do. Does he have any ballad songs? I'm not sure, but if he does, it could also be really good. Ooh, the most handsome face in the world, staring at me. God damn. Amazing. Such good. Hell yeah, brother. What the hell? I've been missing out on all of this. I'm just ashamed now, and yet so grateful. Oh, so good. So good. So brilliant. So good. This is just a compilation of my raw, unfiltered fanboy for Jin. Okay. Oh god, nice. Let's go. Once more. Oh no. It's okay. Okay. Thank god, my heart's gonna burst now. Holy, that's awesome. 70,000 people singing. I'm the one I should love. Okay, that's the name of the song. Okay.
야 종국아.
Oh. Is that Jin? Okay, that's it. Oh god, that scared me. Crazy, insane. Really loved this. This was such a good compilation. It showcased all the different types of vocals that he has got and that he has done in his careers, and most of them were live stages. Some of them were pre-recorded shows like the James Corden one for Black Swan, but most of them were from their tour and their concerts, and it was such a good compilation. Love this. Jin is so talented. That's it. That's the moral of the story and the video. He is such a diverse, such a versatile singer. I've even heard. Have you guys listened to his not his but BTS doing 7-member Dang, the rap song Dang, and in that he can also rap really well. That also I've noticed. Just few weeks ago I checked that out. Didn't react to it, of course, but he's such a versatile and such a crazily talented person that it's just so good to watch and just feel these moments inside your heart. It's so beautiful. Love this. If you guys enjoyed this along with me, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel for further reactions, further BTS reactions, any other compilations if you have, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching with me. See you in another video. Peace.